Welcome back, my dear students. In this video I am going to explain what are the different PHP operators we have. So what is the use of an operator? So operator is used to perform operations on variables and values. So here suppose I have a plus b. So a plus b are the operands where the value of a and b are added. Okay, so this is the use of an operator. So over in a plus b, plus is the operator. Okay, so we have different kinds of operators in PHP: arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, increment and decrement operators, logical operators, string operators, array operators, and conditional assignment operators. So we'll see them individually. The first one is PHP arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators are used for performing the arithmetic operations. So the arithmetic operations can be addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and exponential. So plus is for addition, minus is for subtraction, star is for multiplication, by slash is for division, percentile is for modulus. So modulus will retain the remainder, whereas double star is used for exponential. So means what? $x double star $y means it stands for x power y. So the next one is PHP assignment operators. So assignment operators are used for assigning some value. Okay, so x is equal to y is what? We are going to assign the value of y to x. So x plus is equal to y. This is similar to x is equal to x plus y. So x minus equal to y. This is similar to x is equal to x minus y. The similar way we have x into is equal to y, x divided by is equal to y, and x modulus is equal to y. So these are the different arithmetic operators we have, assignment operators we have in the PHP. Next we will see the comparison operators. So these comparison operators are mainly used in the conditional statements. So we have different kinds of comparison operators. The first one is equal to. Equal to means it returns true if x and y values are equal. So the second operator and the new operator we have seen is identical, triple equal to. Here in this double equal to, it is for comparison and returns whether it is equal to or not. So remember, here we have single equal to in assignment operator, where single equal to is used for assigning some value, whereas double equal to is a comparison operator used for comparing whether two variables are same or not. The content of two variables are same or not. So here we have another operator which is identical operator, which is represented with three equal to's. So $x 3 equal to $y. So returns true if $x is equal to $y and they are of same type. So remember, here x and y should be of same type, whereas in the case of $x is equal to $y, so here we are not considering the type, but here in the identical operator we are going to consider the type. So the next one is not equal to. We can have not equal to in two ways: exclamatory mark equal to, or opening angular brace and closing angular brace. So these are the two operators, two similar operators, not equal to, but the representation is different. So if it returns true if $x, the value of $x is not equal to $y. The next one is not identical. So this is exactly opposite to the identical. So returns true if $x is not equal to $y or they are not of same type. The next one is greater than. Returns true if the value of x is greater than value of y. Less than. Returns true if the value of x is less than value of y. Greater than or equal to. Returns true if the value of x can be either greater than or equal to value of y. Less than or equal to. Returns true if the value of x is less than or equal to the value of y. The last one we have we are saying is a spaceship operator. So which is represented in the opening angular brace is equal to and closing angular brace. So what it will return is, it will return three values, either a positive value or a negative value or 0 value equal to 0. So if x is less than if x is less than y, then it will return an integer value which is less than 0, means a negative value. If x is equal to y, it will return 0. If x is greater than y, it returns the value which is greater than 0, means it will return a positive value. So here you see here, if x is less than y, it will return a negative value. If x is equal to y, it will return 0, and if x is greater than y, it returns a positive value. So this is a special operator which is introduced in the PHP 7 version. So next we will see increment and decrement operators. So increment operator is used for adding a +1 to the given variable, so that incrementing the value of the variable by 1, whereas decrement operator is used for decrementing the value of the variable by 1. So here you have pre-increment and post-increment operators, whereas pre-increment is used is it will increment the value by 1 and then returns the value of x. So plus $x. See here in PHP the representation of the variables are something different. So we are supposed to use dollar symbol wherever you are going to use the variable. So that is mandatory. So plus $x is a pre-increment which increments the value of x by 1 and then returns the value of x. So whereas $x is a post-increment one which will return the value of x and then increments by 1. So similarly we have pre-decrement and post-decrement. So pre-decrement is decrementing the value by 1 and then printing the value of x, whereas post-decrement is printing the value of x and decrements by 1. So these are the 4 different increment and decrement operators in PHP. So next we will see PHP string operators. So we have 2 string operators, one is dot and other one is dot equal to. So this I have explained in the previous video. So concat dot operator is used for concatenation of 2 different strings. So $x dot $text1 dot $text2 means here the content of text1 is combined with the content of text2. Now whereas here dot is equal to, we have concatenation assignment. So here the content of text2 is appended to text1 and is assigned to text1. So this is something similar to text1 is equal to text1 dot text2. So next one is PHP logical operators. So we have different logical operators. The first one is AND operator, true if both x and y are true, OR operator if either any value of x and y are true, XOR operator, true if either the value of x and y are true but not both. And the second one, the next one is AND operator. So true if both these are similar. So the first one and the AND operator and the OR operator and this OR operator are same. So NOT operator, true if returns true if $x is not true. So next is PHP array operators. So PHP array operators, we have the first one is union operator, that is plus operator, which combines the value of $x and $y. Equality operator returns true if the value of the array x and the value of the array y have the same key value pairs. Next, identical operator. So this is similar to, here we have seen the identical operators. So identity operators returns true if the value of same key value pairs of $x and $y are in the same order and of same type. So here the content that is same key value pairs are compared over here, but here the same key value pairs are compared provided it should have the same order and of same types. The next one is inequality, returns true if the content of key value pairs of x is not equal to y. So this is the other way of representing the inequality. These both are same. And next is not identity. This is purely opposite to the identity operator. Returns true if the $x value is not identical to the $y value. The next one, the last operators we have are PHP conditional assignment operators. So this the first one is question mark dollar. So you call it as a ternary operator. So $x is equal to expression 1. So expression 1 over here is the condition. If this condition is true, then the value of x is expression 2. If the condition is false, then the value of x is the expression 3. So this is null Colsing operator. So where it returns the value of x. The value of x is expression 1 if it exists and is not null. So here we have two expressions, expression 1 and expression 2. So if expression 1 exists and which is not null, that expression 1 is assigned to x. So if expression 1 is does not exist and or is null, then expression 2 is assigned to $x. So this operator is introduced in the PHP 7 version. So these are the different operators we have in PHP. Arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, increment or decrement operators, logical operators, string operators, array operators, and conditional assignment operators. Thank you.